BitGet and BitGet Wallet, BitGet Exchange. Our focus for this one is actually understanding the staking platform, how you can stake, earn, and use the BitGet in a better user-friendly understanding way. BitGet is an exchange and a wallet that's available for anyone to download it and directly use it. It has multiple options, different things, full with details, full with things you can do, and full with potential. So for this one, we're going to be focusing on a number of things that BitGet has to offer you, the user, and always check the description for links to join the platform and get additional cryptocurrency and discounts. So the first thing you will actually understand about BitGet, if you click on the rewards, there's something called the daily check-in. You can check in daily and you'll gain a small point. Let's just consider it points. Those points you can exchange it later if you scroll down for vouchers. These vouchers you can apply them to your earn, which we will show later on a little bit in the video. This voucher will increase your APR, which is important if you're using the earn product. So by actually redeeming your points, you'll be able to gain more for a short duration of time. So that's the first thing we're going to be looking at and understanding is the reward section, the earn. This is again how you enter there directly. Click on the daily, log in daily, and collect the point. Second thing, to view your points on the platform, you can just click on my points. Very straightforward. It shows you the points that you've collected, which time, and it gives you the ability to redeem it. And at any time, if you want to check your codes, you can just click on the codes and it will take you to the coupon center. So that is what is available for the daily check-in scenario. The next thing you have is coin body, referral, identity verification, exclusive tasks. Let's click on exclusive tasks and then go to exclusive tasks and then click on view. By doing that directly, it should show you the exclusive tasks available currently. These are the exclusive tasks and you can redeem them for points. Voting ticket, BitGet, different scenarios, and then vote to win. This is pretty much the exclusive tasks. You have the daily tasks, which also give you points, and you have more additional, including the coupons. After that, you have the share 10,000 BGB. Sometimes it's a little bit woggly, doesn't open directly after you click it, so I guess we'll just leave it for now. Alright, after that, you have the option to click on more, and then you will see a bunch load of applications that are enough to drive you insane. Okay. You have the Pool X and the Launch Hub. The Launch Hub and the Pool X are the two main things you need to focus on. This is where you can see the upcoming launches of new cryptocurrencies that will be added to the platform. Alright, looking good. What will happen after that? You can actually click on lock and then add your assets. Okay, and by doing that, you'll actually be gaining more assets by locking them temporarily. So the Pool X is a scenario where you can lock your assets, and depending on the type of currency, it can be Bitcoin, it can be BGB, it can be Ethereum. Mostly that is what I've seen the platform use, or the currency itself, the cryptocurrency, the new one. After the Pool X, there is the Launch Hub. You can see there, you can see here the Launch Hub, pretty much. You will subscribe to one of the small products related to the new cryptocurrency, and then by subscribing, you'll be able to actually gain part of that new cryptocurrency. And at the end of the duration, as you can see here, my locked assets, 10 BGB, it will give you actually a portion of the new currency equivalent to what you locked during that duration. So almost 7 days, something like that. So you have the launch pad and the launch pool, and Candy Bomb is the last addition. Same scenario, all of it is an airdrop scenario of locking your assets and gaining rewards from the new cryptocurrency. A small portion equivalent by an APR for the currency you add over the duration. So you have the launch pool and the Pool X. Those are the two main things we focus on. And of course, the three separate icons, same scenario, launch pool. Those three are pretty much what you're going to be using to use your same assets to gain more assets, and after the duration, the assets will be returned directly to your wallet. We're not going to dive into the different things because you have APIs, price alert, the BitGet card, pop grab, insights, VIP section. We're going to do that at a different video. Now, on the home screen, you will see these three, which you can scroll to the left or to the right to see what they have to offer, showing you what's trending, showing you 7 products, and showing you the current pool. And then you have the prices, copy, trade, earn, and trending assets. That's all in the first section. Then if you click on news, you can see upcoming news related to different cryptocurrencies, related to something to the platform. Updates, platform-wise, usually, latest news, new listing, what is actually coming on the platform. You can read pretty much without exiting the app. Product updates, competitions and promotion, security, API trading, delisting information. Now this one is important, so you know what actually is getting delisted, removed, suspended, returned, and so on. Fiat information, so you know the buy and sell scenarios, maintenance or system updates, just so you are aware of what's happening holistically in the cryptocurrency world. When in doubt and don't know what to do, you can always go to the Academy. It shows you different videos, whether it's how can I add my cryptocurrency, how to transfer, and explanations holistically to the platform. Then after that, you have the market, where you can directly go and view cryptocurrencies, their prices, trade, buy and sell. You have here the SOL. You can change the duration to view the changes that happened in the candle, and you can see it over a holistic period of time that expands over to 3 months. You can also select your preferred interval, which can just last to the maximum still 3 months, unfortunately. Right, after that, you have the order booking, where you can see the people who are buying and selling at different decimal points, 0.01, 0.1, 1, and 10. If you go to 1, the number will decrease. It's how much the person purchased, back to 001. Then you have the depth, which shows a graph related to the buy and sell, and then the trades overall holistically. And then if you click on trade, you will be able to buy and sell. The variation of different things: limited order, advanced limit, market trigger, OCO, take profits, stop loss, trailing stop. All of that you can just pretty much click here, and then you'll be able to see an explanation for it, just to speed you up. At any time you can access that and see it. And of course the sell, and you can pretty much scroll to select the entire quantity you want to sell, and it will show you the equivalence for it in USD, the assets, the copy, and the bot. After that you have the margin, which I don't recommend, and then the ability to convert currency to another currency. Let's assume TRX, and we're gonna convert it to AVAX, and then you will add your currency, click on get code, and it will show you the number of exchange and how much you will get for 0 fees. Copy trade will allow you to actually copy high return of investment traders, and as soon as you do that, you will buy with them and sell with them based on their selection. Futures, we're not going to go into that, not our thing. We don't want to lose money, we want to save money and earn more money. Then in the last section is the assets. You have the ability to add assets, withdraw assets, transfer assets. You can always change this so it looks holistically better. Look at that, cool. It shows you accumulation of assets, it shows you the withdrawal and addition of the assets you have currently, and it shows you the total amount in USD, and then that's in BTC, and then USD general, and USD the T at the end. Okay, then you have your spot, where it shows you the amounts you've gained pretty much, and you have your earn. Now this is the main thing that we're focused on, because it has so many different things included in it, so many different things, more than anything on the platform. So you have the products and you have the coins. Okay, doesn't really matter. The main point is there is flexible saving, and then after you've done your flexible saving and started to understand it, there's a fixed saving, a dual investment, and on-chain elite and on-chain earn. flexible, launch pool, on-chain elite, on-chain earn, fixed savings, and dual investment. Now, what is the difference between all of that? For instance, let's click on go to Bitget Earn. You will notice you have savings, on-chain earn, on-chain elite, and crypto loans. Ignore the crypto loans. You'll see the products, cryptocurrency, the coin itself, right? And then you will see the simple and the structured. The point of difference comes from the amount that is needed to subscribe to the product and the APR during the duration. So the flexible, it doesn't expire. It will carry on pretty much until you redeem the assets, or you just, that's it pretty much. You redeem the assets or you transfer it, convert it into a different type of cryptocurrency. Flexible doesn't have an expiry date. It will just carry on, and anything you earn from the flexible savings, it will be directly added to your spot account. Then you have the 7 days and the 14 days. This is linked by a duration, giving you a higher APR. Now, if you remember earlier in the video, there was the APR voucher coupons. We can actually use it for our product to increase this percentage of APR during the duration. So from here, we understand that the flexible savings is pretty much the standard one with the lowest APR that doesn't expire. And the fixed is the duration of 7 and 14 and can be above duration. Depending on the product, you will notice saving, and then you'll notice savings VIP, and wealth management. Savings VIP and wealth management requires higher amounts added, so you can actually subscribe to that product. Then after that, you will find something like, for instance, Doge. Doge doesn't give you Doge coins. It actually gives you the currency of the platform BGB, pretty much. So not every product needs to give you the same currency or the same cryptocurrency it is actually. For instance, SML, it gives you USDT. It doesn't give you SML. SML is not a product that gives SML. So from here, we're going to understand the higher the APR, the higher the amount you add, the higher the return will be calculated per hour and then returned to your spot account daily. After that, the structured is a little bit more complex in terms of dual investment. Invest in two types: selling high, selling low, and different variations of buy low, sell high scenarios. So we're not going to fully push on to that. We're going to move into the next thing, which is on-chain earn, and then the on-chain elite. On-chain earn profits daily without risking your principal. Pretty much the principal is secure and you're still getting a higher percentage. For something like this, you're going to add the amount matching the minimum at least. It will show you the profit you're going to be earning per day. That's per day. It just gives you per day. And you can select the compound interest mode. Each day the principal of what you gain will be added again. And then it follows a cycle of the subscription day and the interest accumulated the next day, distribution after the 2 days from starting, and then about 5 days for it to be redeemed once you've done that. So it will keep giving you the earnings as long as the duration carries on and until you actually have redeemed the product itself. This is on-chain earn daily without risking your principal, similar to stacking, and it's pretty much the same. Then you have the on-chain elite. The on-chain elite has pretty much only 2 products now, and it is directly 100% stacking. You will stack your assets, and for the assets you stack, it will give you BG Soul. BG Soul is going to be the equivalent of what is stacked of your assets, and during that duration, the longer you leave it, the more it gives you. Quick stacking, early profits, flexible redemption, and so on. The wealth management and the dual investment is simply wealth management. You're going to need a high amount, above 50K, depending on what you're going for, stuff like that. Dual investment is using the buy low, sell high, and then you have the beginner mode if it's too complex for you to understand like this. And you would select, I want to sell BGB high, I want to buy BGB low. And then you enter the amount and you wait for a duration until it actually is settled. It has a minimum risk and it will allow you to actually gain, regardless of the cryptocurrency you change. wanting to buy AVAX at a lower price than the current one that is actually available in the market. So it's a very simple direction of buying low and selling high of the cryptocurrency without you actually needing to watch the platform and see if the currency will go up or will go down. The only option it has that's different, earn high profits with dual crypto assets, that the possibility of you losing your money is way less, because it's not going to happen like that. The strike price is very important, including the duration that you're going to be selecting, 7 days over 30 days. You're going to be waiting for that duration. The condition, of course, is the product itself that you've selected reaches the amount of the strike price. Let's actually look at a real live example because it's a little bit complex. Let's find our real live example. This is a dual investment dodge. As you can see, the scenario, the subscription was at 10 of January. The market price currently is at 33.77 and the strike price is at 32.75. The settlement date is going to be after 1 day from now. The scenario is this will actually allow earning more money by holding on that one Dogecoin that was added minimum, and instead of the price that we actually purchased that one Dogecoin before, it will be sold for a higher price without us actually interfering. What we will receive is 0.33 USDT. Now, if you're aware of the price of one Dogecoin, it's 0.3 USDT. So we've almost made a profit of 30 cents for one Dogecoin. Now, the dual investment scenario can be very profitable if you truly understand it and have enough assets to utilize it and use it, and we'll make a separate video of how to use it. Now, the scenario is very simple of building your crypto profile slowly. You will get the assets of adding your money to the platform, exchange it, have the currency, the cryptocurrency, add it in a flexible product or a fixed product or an on-chain product, and then it will generate for you the spot account. The spot account, what it has, can be added later to your earn products, and the cryptocurrency will keep on growing the more time you actually leave it and the more time you add money and allow it to consume what you have earned. Now, related to the staking of Sol, this is BG Sol. BG Sol is what is going to be used once you staked your Sol. Staking it will allow you to generate more income and actually earn more the more time passes. As you can see, this is the Sol. We actually earned this by just doing that specifically. We didn't add that from an external amount of money. Alright, we're gonna go into different videos hopefully and explain more, and this is a very good overview of what you should focus on when it comes to BitGet. And always look for the launch pool. This is the most important thing, because you can always add your currency, as you can see here, and gain more currency, and after the pool has ended, automatically sell it and expand more on your cryptocurrencies. Now, in terms of adding funds, withdrawal and transfer, that's a completely different scenario that requires a different video, including converting small balances to PGP. Holistically, this should be sufficient for you enough to start using the platform, of course, after you've verified the KYC. Alright guys, all links are always in the description, and for any questions, do write a comment. And if you like this video, share it with your friends, and we'll see you in another video. Do check out our latest video before this related to the World Coin application. Alright guys, have a great day ahead.